In the beginning, God did not argue with darkness. He spoke. Walang debate, walang delay. When God said, "Let there be light," light did not hesitate. It appeared. Ang creation ay hindi aksidente. Hindi ito product ng chance o chaos. It was intentional, ordered, and beautiful. Sa bawat araw ng paglikha, hindi lang paggawa ang makikita natin, may design, may rhythm, may love. From chaos to cosmos, from dust to dignity. Nang likhain ng Diyos ang tao, hindi niya lang basta nilikha ang isang nilalang. He created man in His own image. Ibig sabihin, may halaga ka, may dignidad ka, may layunin ka. 6 na araw nilikha ng Diyos ang buong daigdig. Sa bawat bahagi ng kanyang nilikha, 5 beses niyang sinabi, "It was good." Pero nang dumating ang ika-6 na araw, nang likhain niya ang tao, ang kanyang sinabi ay, "It was very good." Iba ang tao sa lahat ng nilikha because man reflects the Creator. At sa ika-7 araw ang Diyos ay nagpahinga, hindi dahil siya ay napagod, sapagkat nagsalita lamang siya, and He is an all-powerful God. God blessed the 7th day and sanctified it, upang ipakita sa atin ang kahalagahan ng rest. Hindi lang physical rest, kundi spiritual rest in Him. Ang creation mismo ang nagpapatunay. When God speaks, power is released. When God speaks, beauty is formed. When God speaks, life obeys. In closing, created by God, designed with purpose, called to reflect His glory, ang kagandahan ng mundo at universe ay nagpapahayag ng kalikasan ng Diyos sa kanyang makapangyarihan gawa. To God be all the glory.